Welcome. If you want to change vibration intensity in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the sound and vibration, scroll down and tap here on the vibration intensity, and here we got the three options. We can change it for the incoming calls, also for notifications, and for the touch interaction. I think the most happening and the best, it's this one. Yeah, it sounds really cool. So that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.